Hi friends, I welcome you all to my channel Food vs Sharma. And as you can see, today we'll be making the mouth-watering masala guava. And the good thing is we will use minimum ingredients which is available in our daily kitchen. So let's get started. I have taken here 2 raw guavas. We'll cut the sides off. Then finally cut it into small dices. Now for the masala part, we will take a green chili, half inch of ginger and some fresh coriander leaves. We'll transfer it to a mortar pestle. Add half a teaspoon of black salt. Now we'll make a fine paste out of it. We'll add it to the guava. Along with it, we'll add 1 teaspoon of mustard sauce. Mix everything well. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of Kashmiri lal mirch. Now mix everything thoroughly. Taste it to make sure everything is perfect. Mouth-watering masala guava is ready to be served now. Garnish it with sliced lemon and green chili. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cool recipes. Until next video, goodbye.